1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles, and today we're doing some good old Queen, crazy little thing called Love. Alright, we're in standard tuning. Let's go. Song is in D. 1, 2, 3. And often it will be a D sus, which is add your pink and third fret E string. D, D sus, D sus, D. We have G major. 1, 2, 3. We got C major. And then we got a chord that's a pain. B flat, but we can do it like this. First fret A string, 3, 3. We don't have to do the whole chord. Okay, and later on we do have an E major, 2, 3, an A major, and an F. You can just play a bar chord. I mean a power chord here. That's 1 and 3. Alright, so here's strumming. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. G, C, G, D, D sus D, G, D, B flat, C, and D. 2, 3, 4. C, G, D, sus, D, G, C, D, B flat, C, and D. 2, 3, 4, and then we get the next part. It's gonna start on G to C to G, B flat, E, A, F, da, 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 da. And then we got that walk down. That's 5 on A string, 5, 4, 3, and switch to E string, 5, 4, 3, and then D, E, and end on A. A lot of stuff. Let's do it from the top. E, G, C, G, G, C, G, D, B flat, C, and D. Alright, next part, G, C to G, B flat, and E, A, F, guitar solo starts on B, back to B, and we got E, A, that part, same thing. We got a breakdown. That's all the parts. Well, alright. Let's review before we end the lesson. It starts with just acoustic guitar, D, D sus D. And then it goes verses D, G, C, G, D, G, C, G, B flat. And the next part goes G, 2, 3, 4. G, C, G, B flat, E, A, and F, 2, 3, so. E, A, and then guitar solo. B flat, D, B flat, D, and then E, Cool. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day, great evening. Be safe. Thank you.